Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you gotta learn about number is none method. So not to confuse with is none global, that function, inbuilt function in the JavaScript. So yeah, and yeah, it is part of the ES6 only. So yeah, after that, we need you're gonna check is if you're gonna pass number and or you can say variable. You're gonna check it is that none or not. So now what we're gonna do is, let's begin. Create a function. Keep in mind though, I have the global is none function, inbuilt function. Yeah, I have a video about that. If you have any problem, just check it out. So type of NaN, none, and create a parameter called x, name it as x, and after that check with the if statement, pass number. So keep in mind though, it gives you true and false. If it's true, it's gonna return something. So number dot is none and pass x. After that, return a string like something like a number, yeah, number, a number none. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is if is none, the global the global method to check is none, and if it's become true, it's gonna return the global is none and the number of is none is no different at all. So yeah, this is what it does. And now what we're gonna do, log it on a console as usual and type of none, and if we pass 100, oh sorry about that, so 100 f, oh there is uncaught error, oh yeah, that's why. I'll do that. How idiot I am, I forgot to check. So the heck, man, type of NaN, none. So it's a none, NaN, none. And if it's and now what we're gonna do is pass the number NaN. I don't have any other examples. I know only these two. So don't ask me another NaNs. So when you pass that, you're gonna say the number NaN. So it check that is that the global NaN or is that the number NaN. So yeah, hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.